I'll guide you on how to make money with art. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First, head over to 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀 and log in using a Google account. Once you're in, connect your payment method so you can receive money from customers all around the world. I'm using PayPal, but you can choose whatever works best for you. After that, go to your dashboard, find the More Ways to Earn section, and click on Shop. Now click Add Product to upload your artwork. This can be any type of art you've created, whether it's traditional, digital, or AI generated, as long as it's high quality and original. Add a title, write a short and engaging description, and set your price. Make sure to upload the file as a digital download, so buyers can get it instantly after purchase. Once you've completed all the details, click Save and Publish. Your artwork is now live, visible, and ready to be bought by art lovers everywhere. To help more people discover your work, be sure to share your Ko-Fi link on social media or in online art communities.